of you to keep your videos on so that I can see all the beautiful faces. So the kids as well as their parents will be online, right?
Yeah, I assume so, Purna, because I think most of them will be helping their children.
Yes, so basically I'm addressing the parents and have activities for the children.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. That's exactly what they wanted.
I'm back. um, mm, Great. So, Purna, you've been associated with Rasa for 15 years, is it
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Right after my college, I joined Rasa.
All right. Hey, you have blue eyes.
Sorry?
Do you have blue eyes?
No, no, no.
It's reflection.
Reflection.
It's about today's session. Performing arts is pretty cool.
So just let me know when I can start.
Yeah, we'll just wait for a couple of minutes and we'll start.
Yes, yes.
Will not take too long. I guess at
Hello,
5 I think we can start.
So I see a few kids without their parents.
I'm hoping the parents are there. A lot of parents are there actually.
Okay, okay. Because basically I've made the session for the parents and making it fun for the children.
Absolutely. Let me just request all the parents. Hi, can we have everybody's video on, please, so that we can see children and their parents together? I would request Parul Singh, आप अपना वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं. रोशनी, Adya and Manas. Devansh video can be switched on. Hi, hi. Sivapriya, Bindu call. Parini, आप भी अपना ऑन कर सकते हो वीडियो. Shubhangi. Superb. I think almost just a few people are have not switched on the video yet. Bindu, ma'am, आप अपना है Adya and Manas, Sivapriya, Roshni. Vanshika and Sita, can you please switch on the phone, switch on the videos as well? All right. I'm still admitting the session is extremely popular, Purna. A lot of people are still coming in.
Sure, sure. We'll wait. More the merrier.
All right. So I think it's 22 of us as of now. So let's kickstart the session for the day. Just a few more people have not switched on the video. Do you want to?
It's fine.
Let's just start in any case. Just a reminder, please, parents, आप लोग अपना video on कर लो. That will just make it easier because then I think it will help Purna to help you with the session of performing arts. Okay, so Hi, everyone. Hello. And as we all know, today's session is a special one.
Hi.
Theater as a medium to holistic development definitely sounds really, really interesting and intriguing. To take this session, we have with us Poorna Suraj. She's the Deputy Director of RASA, that is Ramana Snitya Alaya. She is very keen to carry forward the legacy of her mother, Dr. Ambika Kameshwar, who's the director of RASA, and she has been closely associated and actively working with the organization for the last 15 years. She's a postgraduate diploma holder in theater arts for holistic development, a unique methodology which uses the aspects of theater for the holistic empowerment of children and adults with different abilities. She's a dancer and a singer. She has also submitted her thesis on music in Indian theater to the University of Madras. She has a very deep passion for teaching, and she believes in the use of technology in its positive ways to reach the value of Indian culture and heritage through stories and shlokas for children. So welcome, Poorna. I hand it over to you. And yeah, let's start the session.
Thank you. At the outset, I would like to thank Rekha ma'am and Down Syndrome Federation of India for conducting such a workshop and at this time and making it possible for people from all over India and all over the world to join together and spread awareness of holistic education. So before that, before I start, let's all do a small dance. Are you all ready? Just give your thumbs up for a small dance. Ready? Keep your fists rounded. Ready? Yes. Now roll, roll. Yes. Boom, boom, shakalaka, boom, boom, shaka. Boom, boom, shakalaka, boom, boom, shaka. Thaka jiki, thaka jiki, thaka jiki, thaka jiki, thaka jiki, thaka jiki, ta, ha, ha. Boom, boom, shakalaka, boom, boom, shaka. Boom, boom, shakalaka, boom, boom, shaka. Taka jiki, taka jiki, taka jiki, taka jiki, taka jiki, taka jiki, ta, ha, ha. Hold a mic in your hand. Let us all sing. 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 Boom boom shakalaka boom boom shaka. Boom boom shakalaka boom boom shaka. Taka jiki taka jiki taka jiki taka jiki taka jiki taka jiki ta ha ha. Now let us dance. Let us all 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 dance. Boom boom shakalaka boom boom shaka. Boom boom shakalaka boom boom shaka. Taka jiki taka jiki taka jiki taka jiki taka jiki taka jiki ta ha ha. Hands out. Hands out so that you're holding each other's hand via the computer. Yes. Now move to your right. Let us join hands. Let us join hands. Let us all 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 join hands always. Very good. Very nice to see all of you dancing. So nice. So theater arts for holistic development is a methodology which was carefully curated by Dr. Ambika Kameshwar. So she was a young dancer and a musician, and she came to Chennai as soon as she got married, and she had a thought that there is something so much more to dance and music than as a mere performing art. 1 minute, there is an echo coming. Yeah. So she thought that there is something more interesting or something more meaningful to the art forms of music and dance than just being a performing art. So she started working with students with differing abilities, and she started teaching them dance, music. And then she thought maybe she should take this forward as a holistic methodology where we can use dance, music, arts and crafts, storytelling, and drama to empower these children and empower them in a way that it is fun, and they don't realize that they are having a kind of a therapy which they are undergoing, but finally they achieve their goal of being one step ahead than what they are today. So there is no competition with each other here. It is only a competition within oneself. Like, we are better today than we were yesterday. So that is the milestone which we achieve through this medium, where we use these forms of theater arts. So she has inculcated this methodology in a complete holistic way, where it is completely individual specific. It is not like we can only group these children based on their individual goals. So each one is a flower of their own right. So we cannot group them, and they are all stars. All these children are stars, and these art forms enhance their stardom. It makes them brighter, and it makes them self-confident. It makes them happy. That's what we want. Finally, at the end of the day, we want our child to be happy. At the end of the day, they should not feel disappointed. They should not feel dejected. They should not feel sad. So we have she has formulated this methodology so that these children are happy at the end of the day, and they have a sense of achievement, that they have achieved something. They've learned a song, they've learned a dance. Through that dance, they've learned how to be mobile, they've learned how to use their fingers, they've learned how to use their eyes, they've learned how to use. So through music, they've enhanced their listening skills. So I will go slowly into all the aspects of Indian theatre and its complete holistic empowerment on children and adults with differing abilities. So theatre is miniature real life. It is an experience of life. As Shakespeare has said, all the world's a stage, and men and women are merely players having their own entries and exits. So can I have one person, a parent, unmute and say all the roles which they play in their life from morning till night? Any parent can just unmute and say the roles which they play in life from morning till the night. Anybody?
I play the role of a doctor, a mother, a daughter-in-law, wife, and along with my child, I also become a child.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, so we have, so when we play these roles, at the time of playing the role of a doctor, we can't play the role of a wife. And at that time, we should have that clear difference of when we, and the commitment to that particular moment of role which we are doing. So all this is taught with theatre. So our children, so they are all, I feel these differing children with differing abilities are all my own siblings. I don't have siblings of my own. And right from the age of 2, I have seen and grown with children with differing abilities. So all these, the wonderful people here are all my own siblings. So they need various stimuli to reach their optimum level of functioning. And a holistic multi-pronged approach is needed to overcome their developmental delays. We need not call them as delays, or we can just call them their needs, developmental needs. So what we do in theatre arts for holistic development is that we don't have a one-day assessment. So we have a series of assessments which we do for that specific individual. And then we come to a conclusion as to what are the goals which they need to be achieved. And then we make the lesson plans specifically for them and help them to achieve their goals. So when we call dance, who likes dance? You can just raise your hand. So all of us like dance. So can somebody do a small dance for me? Anyone, any child, a small dance for me where the parent can sing something quick.
That's
We
it.
can do some dance. Khushi has stood up. She is going to dance for us. So we'll just clap for her to dance.
That's it.
1, 2, 3, start. Any step you can do. Just shake your head.
1 minute.
Whatever you want. Whatever you want. Can I teach you?
Yes.
And to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. All of you can do. To the right, to the left. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Side to side, side to side, to side, side to side. Up, down, up, down, down. Shake your hand, shake your hand, shake your hand, shake your hand. Shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your hands. Move your hips, move your hips, move your hips, move your hips. Move your hips, move your hips. That's so nice. So clap for everyone who did the dance now. All of us are clapping for you all. So nice. So dance is something which is very magical, and it immediately brings up a smile in our faces. So when we go into the technique of dance and its use in development of children and adults with differing abilities, various achievements are done when we use dance as a tool. For example, body awareness. So they become aware of their body. First, they are aware of their body and they become comfortable with their own body. Whatever size, whatever shape, not at all, not to be taken into consideration at all. They are all perfect. So first, they are aware of their body, and then body image. So they get a body image like, yeah, I have 2 eyes, I have 1 nose. Right from that kind of a body image where we say touch your eyes, touch your nose through a music, beats or something like that. They have an awareness of their body image. And then they learn postures like movement, yoga. They learn postures. Bindu pole. Somebody's dancing so well, so nice. So, does anybody know yoga here? Any one yoga pose which you know you can show. Yoga posture. Any posture.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything which you know you can do and show. Something you can do. Yes. So, movement, dance. Let's just correct our posture, move our posture, and dance helps us to learn directions. Yeah. Now I think everyone can go back on mute, and when I you can come back to your unmute. 1 minute.
उसका सिखाओगी ठीक है चलो लेकिन जो उनको सिखाओगी
Somebody is on.
Somebody take it silent.
Yeah. So dance helps us to learn the different directions. The videos can be on, only the audios can be off, because it's nice to see you all face to face. The directionality is learned. So can we all do this? Walk 1 step front. One step front. One step back. One step to the right. One step to the left. One step front. One step back. One step to the right. One step to the left. Now we'll add some hand movement for this. One step front. One step back. One step to the right. One step to the left. One step front. You can all get up from your chairs and do. One step front, one step back, one step to the right, one step to the left, one step front, one step right, one step to the right, one step to the left. Very nice. One minute. Yes, so it helps us learn the directionality. Also, dance helps us to understand the space. So now all of you are at home. Are you all at your home? Do this. Yes. So we are now having so much of furniture around us, and we don't have so much of space to dance like a hall or something like that. So we now are able to understand the use of our space when we dance. Also, when you're dancing with somebody, you get the understanding that you should not hit them when you're moving your hands. So the students understand the space, understanding of space. Also, we are knowing the different dimensions like high, low. Then all that we can learn through dance. And through dance, what else can we learn? We can learn imitation. So I'm going to do something. You have to do the same thing. Okay? So there is this imitation. So when through dance, we're able to see somebody and do the same thing which they are doing. Okay? And then there is something called visual tracking. So I am going to have a magic stick. A magic stick. Okay? Do you all have some space to move? Now you're going to follow this stick. Okay? So when this stick goes this way, you have to go this way. When this stick goes this way, you have to go this way. When this stick goes up, you have to stand up. When this stick comes down, you have to bend down. When this stick does this, you have to turn around. Ready? Yes? This is a magic wand. Okay? You don't have to have the pencil. You have to move. You have to move to the right and left. Yes, just follow the pencil. Stand up. La, bend down. Turn around, turn around. You don't to use a pencil. You have to just turn around. Yes. So dance helps us to track the movements. And through dance, we are able to develop our locomotor and non-locomotor skills. So when some children are finding it difficult to walk, or some children are finding it difficult to jump, or when they are finding it difficult to hop, so all these can be achieved when we teach them through dance. And also stretching, bending, all this can be achieved through dance. Okay, now imagine that we are all in a garden. Okay, we are all in a garden. So what all is there in a garden? You can all unmute and say whatever is there in a garden. Garden.
Trees.
Trees. Okay, so we are all going to be trees now. Sway like a tree. Yes. Then what else is there in a garden? What else is there in a garden? Flower. So you have to sway like a flower. All of you are flowers now. Yes. What else is there in a garden?
Ground.
Trees done. Flowers done.
Butterfly.
Grass. We all do grass. All green grass, lovely grass. And when it rains in a garden, how will it look? All of you can do the sound of rain also. Then
Butterflies.
birds, birdies.
Birds.
Then,
Butterflies.
yeah, butterflies. How do they take the nectar from the flower?
Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम जयंत गौतम क्लास में नहीं है, हम उसके बड़े ब्रदर बोल रहे हैं। मैम वो अपने विलेज गया हुआ है, तो जो भी आप सिखाओगे वो सब रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं।
मैम सैंड।
1 minute.
ये सेशन
तो
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, आपको मिल जाएगा।
रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, रिकॉर्ड मिल जाएगा।
ठीक है?
Sand.
Okay, so this is called representative dance, where we represent something on the stage. So now we all represented a garden. So we are able to recreate a space which is outside on a stage. Then dance helps us to improve our memory. Okay, now Khushi, can you do a movement? Something like open, close, something like open, close. Can you do a movement? Khushi is that girl, right? Yes. Yes, so all of you do this. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Then anyone else, can you do any other movement? Yes, Kimaya is doing this. Open, close, open, close, open, close. So we have to do both these movements together now, four times. Open, close, 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 open, close. Anyone else? Any other movement? Bindu Kaul is doing something, some nice dance from there, but she's dancing on her own. Any other movement? Yeah, 2 movements over. I want one more movement. Ashima Sharma is doing this. You can do this. Right and left, 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 right and left. So first movement, who can tell the first movement? Open, close. Yes, Shivapriya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want fourth movement. D. Mahesh. They're doing something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap. Open. Clap. Open. Clap. Open. Clap. Open. Clap. Open. So now we are going to do 4 movements together. Who's going to show the first movement? Yes, Shivapriya's again right. Open, close, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Open, clap, open, clap, open, clap, open, clap. So our memory is developed when we learn a dance. So did you all enjoy the dance session? Yes? All of you can do a thumbs up. Let's all do a high five. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So now we'll go on to drama. Have you all seen any drama on the stage? Yes, yes. So drama means acting. Dance is something else. Acting is something different. Okay, acting. So drama, what does drama do? Drama involves 3 stages. So drama is making of a script, then getting the characters into the script, teaching them, directing something, and then finally it is the performance of a drama. So how does drama help us achieve certain skills? So drama improves social skills development. For example, when a child doesn't know the difference between parents and outsiders. So when the child doesn't know the difference between their own parents, relatives, and then outsiders, we can do a simple drama theme where we teach them levels of intimacy, where we tell them these are parents. So what kind of intimacy you can have with them? You can hug them. But now after coronavirus, I think everybody, we have to just do namaste. But generally, when we teach levels of intimacy, we tell them that the most familiar people to us are our parents. Then comes our relatives and our teachers. And then the kind of distance which we should have with the strangers. So where some, because it's very dangerous these days, it's very difficult. So we have to keep on reinforcing to the children about the levels of intimacy and about how we should be careful of strangers. So that is that can be taught through drama. Also, we can use drama to teach grooming. Grooming, not only personal grooming, but also we can use drama to teach them how to dress for a particular occasion. So you cannot wear jeans and go to a temple, or something like that. Or you cannot wear a nightie and go to a school. So we can teach all these things through drama. So grooming, expressing our emotions. So some children are not very, they don't express themselves very easily, even though we are, as parents, they are very friendly and very considerate and very calm and all that. Sometimes the students find it difficult to express themselves, like even if to express a hunger or express a hurt or something like that, it takes time. So we can slowly make them understand and express themselves through drama. So, and then drama helps us to modulate our voice. So when somebody is near us, we need not throw our voice, yeah, Amma, we need not do like that. We can just call, Amma, come here, like that. But when somebody is far away, we have to throw our voice. So all this we will know, and we can teach these children through drama. And finally, it helps us do problem solving. So what I normally do in our center is, so for example, we are a group of 15 students, and each student has a concern. Some concern they'll be having, like my friend didn't talk to me, or my mother didn't give me my favorite food, or something like that. There'll be some problem which they have every day. So what we do is, I become a student, and at that moment they are the super king or the super queen. So I call them super king, I have a problem. So they have to wear their king's hat and stand like this. They, what's your problem? Tell me. And then I have to say the same problem which they are undergoing. So for example, let us take a name called Varun, and he keeps on shaking his body while sitting in a class when he is not supposed to. So I tell him, I'm used to this shaking my body too much. So what do I do? So what should he say? He will give me a solution for his own problem. So finally, the goal is achieved. So we can use drama. So these tools actually are not only for these children, but personally, it has helped me so much, and so much to know about myself, my potential, and all that. So it's actually become a way of life. Theatre Arts for Holistic Development has actually become a way of life. And drama helps us to explore and understand life in a more creative and a very fulfilling manner. So now when we talk about emotions, I will do an emotion, and all of you have to do the same emotion to me. Okay, you have to copy my emotion. Okay. Copy my emotion. You also should do like this. Happy. Smile nicely. All your teeth you should show when you smile. You're so beautiful. All of you are so beautiful. Yes. So so there's this where we do the passing of an emotion, and then we have this. We can do the action and reaction through drama. So for example, when somebody is coming hitting you, we can do the reaction. Oh my God, don't hit me. Like that, we can enhance the situation through drama. So next 1 minute. Okay, so you all like drama? Do you all like acting? Yes? That's so nice. Now we'll go on to music. Who all like to listen to music? I like to. Who likes to sing? Very nice. So all of you are so interested in all these art forms. It's so nice to see all of you. So nice. So music, the word music itself is so soothing to our ears. So at whatever mood we are in, we are actually happier. So music basically are of three aspects. There is melody, there is rhythm, and there is song. And we can use specific types of music for calming the client, like the student or whoever it is. For example, if there is a child who is very tense or something like that, at that time we need to put soothing music so that they are calm down or something like that. And for somebody else, we need to put fast-paced music so that we can get their attention to the situation. And then, give me a minute. You all have your tumblers. Yes. So bang them together. Yes. So we'll do slowly now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No dupatta now, only tumbler. 3. Dupatta is for last. Now fast we'll do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't have tumblers, you can clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. The music sound can be created with anything. Even our kitchen things, we can make sound. We can use sound even with our bare hands. We can create sound with our voice. We can create sound. Everything is music. The wind sound. Can anybody unmute and do the sound of the wind? Sound of the wind. Sound of the wind. Okay. Sound of the wind.
Sky, 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 sky.
Yes. So everything is music. Yes, that is the sound of the wind. That's very nice. So everything is music. So how does music help us? Listening. First, listening to music. Okay. Listening relaxes the mind and body. So you all like to listen to music. And when you listen to music, you're automatically relaxed. It also helps us to come and get focused into the current situation, wherever we are in. So when we play, when we are all in a classroom and they play one particular music, all the students will know that they have to come and sit in a circle or stand together or do something like that. Playing instruments. So you all played a wonderful instrument now. So playing instruments improves your motor skills, your hand movements. It helps you develop your gross and fine motor development, and it also allows us to all sit together and play with a group. So we all can sit together and create music with whatever we have in our hands, like a bottle, like a whatever we have in our hands. Also, finally, singing. Who likes to sing? Kimaya, can you sing something?
Ma'am, me. Melissa.
After Kimaya, Bing. What's your name?
Kimaya.
Kimaya.
सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु.
So nice.
ಕೊಡದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಾ ಏನ ಬರೇ ಅದ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
Very good. Anybody else?
Hi, hi, Jindevi. Tera bhi hoga, mera bhi hoga. Apna hi aashiya.
Very nice. So nice. Anybody else wants to sing? Anybody else can unmute and tell your name to sing.
Stuti.
Yeah, sing.
Litany Shoti Omnina Teta Manka Shwas Kamsona Hum Chole Ke Class Take PM Se Hopi Koi Muna Litany Shoti Litany Tata Manka Shwas Kamsona Hum Chole Ke Class Take PM Se कभी कोई भूलना.
Very nice. So singing, automatically all of us are smiling because the sound, the music is so melodious. So with music, what all can we learn? We can learn to differentiate one sound from the other. Does anybody know Old MacDonald had a
Sing.
I-O? Who knows?
Ma'am, sing.
And Old MacDonald had a farm. I want somebody to sing Old MacDonald had a farm. I'll sing. Old MacDonald. You can all use your tumblers to make the sound. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had ducks. E-I-E-I-O. How does a duck sound? How does a duck make sound?
Old MacDonald.
Duck make sound.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, there a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had some dogs. E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had some pigs. E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had some cats. E-I-E-I-O. How does a cat make noise?
Meow.
And a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. That's so nice. So we learned the different sounds that all the animals make through one song. What's one song? But we know this animal sounds of how many other animals we want to learn. All the farm animals we can learn in that one song. So how much of learning we learn in one day? So much of learning. So we should all ask for treat from our parents. Okay. So next is, we know that
Don't do
sound,
that.
each sound belongs to certain things like cat, meow. So they all learn to relate. So when they see some real cat, they will know, oh yes, I've sung this there. So that's how. 1 minute. Somebody was on, yeah. Okay. Then we will know to sequence sounds also. So like we did the sequence of movements, we can do the sequence of sounds too. Like when I say ba 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 and somebody else says boo boo boo, then we can make ba 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 boo boo ba ba. Like that we can make a song on ourselves. We can sit and do one song. So we can do sequencing.
I will sing.
I'll make you sing at the end. Okay, wait for some time. Next, we learn this. We can learn the different things through songs, like how the different musical instruments make different musical sounds. Like that, we can learn everything through song. We can learn time through song. Do you know how we can learn time through song? Have you all seen the time in the clock? Have you all seen the time in the clock? Yes. Ho, 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 in the clock, there are 2 needles. Ho, 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 in the clock, there are how many needles? 2 needles. One is the short needle. One is the long needle. One is the short needle. One is the long needle. When the short needle is at 1 and the long needle is at 12, what is the time? It's 1 o'clock. When the short needle is at 1, when the long needle is at 12, what's the time? It's 1 o'clock. So we can learn the time through music. Then we can become, when we learn so much that one day we will be able to sing ourselves, and then one day we will be able to sing on the stage also. So that time we will be a musician. So what should we do? Every time we should keep on learning. Every day we have to keep on learning. Then we will also be performers. Then story. Who likes to listen to stories? Who likes to tell stories? Everyone likes stories. We can learn so much through storytelling. Basically, just a second. Yes. So we can learn so much of morals through stories. Like unity is strength. We all should be united. If we are all together, then we can be victorious. So do you all want to listen to a small story?
Ma'am, I will tell a story.
You want to tell a story?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Pratishtha Midha.
I'm not able to see your video. Yes. You want to tell a story?
Yes, ma'am.
You can tell. Start. You're on mute. It's on mute, ma'am. Her video is on mute. What's her name? Sonia.
Sonia, can you please unmute?
Yeah. Yes, please. Can you tell a story now to all of us? You want to tell later?
Yeah, I think she will tell later.
Yeah, she can tell later. So I will tell you all a story. Okay, then you should tell me what you learned from the story. There were a group. You all have your dupattas? Wear your dupatta like this. Wear it on your shoulder like this. Wear it on your shoulder. And hold it like this. Like a bird. All of you are now birds. Can you all become birds? Yes. So one day, there were a group of birds flying in the sky. Then they all saw down. There were a lot of grains for them to eat. What happened? All the birds were hungry. Do all of you touch your stomach saying that you're hungry? All the birds were hungry and they saw the grains. They saw the grains which were in the ground and said, Oh, wow. There are so many grains down there in the forest and our hunger is going to go away. Let's go and have those grains. But there was a wise old bird which said, stop young birds, do not go there. So all of you should be doing like this when I tell the story. You're all birds in the sky. If you stop flapping your wings, then you'll fall down. Keep flapping your wings. All of you should flap your wings. So that old bird said, stop my young children. When you go down and have those grains, it is a trap. We will be trapped by the hunter. So do not see that because we can't get grains so easily. It's a trap. But what did the other bird say? Oh, stupid old bird. We don't want to hear your stories. We only want to eat. So the old bird said, oh my God, they are making a mistake. But what to do? I should also be with them. So they all flew down and had the grains. But what happened then? A hunter came. A hunter came and he threw his net and all of them were caught. Get caught in the net. Get caught in the net. Get caught in the net. Yes. So they all got caught and said, oh, old bird, we are very sorry. We are very sorry that we did not listen to you. But what to do now? We are all caught in the net. How do we get out of the net? So the old bird said, I told you earlier that if we go down and have the grain, then we will be caught. But it's okay. So let us all gather strength and let us all rise with the net. Let us all fly away to safety. So with the net, they all flew together. Flap faster. Flap faster. They all flew up. With the net, they went to safety. And they went to safety and a small mousey came. A friend mousey came and did. It removed all the net and they were all very happy. So what do we learn from this story? We learn that one, we have to listen to our elders. When our mommy, daddy say something to us, we have to listen to them. When our teachers say something to us, we have to listen to them. And number two is, when we are all together, close together, we can achieve. We can achieve anything if we are all together. So we should not fight with our friends. We should not fight with anybody, but we should all be friends together. Yes, so will you all be together always with your friends? Will you all listen to your parents? Will you all listen to your teachers? Yes. So by stories, we can learn a lot of lessons. We can learn a lot of good things with stories. And finally, each tool which we are using helps us for an overall development. Who all like to draw? Who all like to paint? Who all likes to make something with chart papers or do some craft items? Who all liked? Has anybody tried stitching or embroidery, hand embroidery, anything? Very nice artwork. Very nice. Kushi, what's your name? Very nice artwork. If you have any artwork in your house, you can go bring it and show it. Very nice. You can show any artwork which you have in your house. So artwork is basically not only drawing and coloring and all that, but are there any parents around? Very nice. I can only see the students. Are there any parents around? Very nice. Very nice. Wonderful. Using bangles. Very nice. Anybody else? Yes. Very nice. Using such a nice thing. Stuti's art. Very nice. You are smart. You are very smart. Very nice. That's a lovely paint. Is it finger painting? Using finger? Yes. Lovely crayon coloring. Who is that? Ashima Sharma. Very nice. Rocket. Rahul. Rocket. Huh? Rocket to the moon. Will you take me?
Yes.
Yes, I'll come with you. But you should eat food also, okay? That's a very nice one, Kushi. What? Very nice artwork. Lovely nature. Anybody else? Any artwork which you have done at home? Lovely leaves and flowers. Rajeshwari Malavya.
Shubh.
Very
Done
nice.
by Shubh.
Very nice.
With earbuds.
Finger painting and some craft like frames she has done, photo frames. Wonderful. That's so nice. So all this lockdown, you have all done such wonderful work. So no wasting time. Every day you are doing so much of work. It's so, that's a very, very good thing.
Ma'am.
Are there parents around? Ah, that's a wonderful thing. What has Bindu called?
House.
Can you show me? I can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Maya. Very nice. Very nice. Kindness. We should give. Very nice. We should give our toys, old toys to poor children. Very nice.
We need to give our own time to poor children.
Very good. Very true. Very true. Very,
I did it. Disha.
very nice. Very nice. Whoever did it is very nice.
Disha.
Wow. Peacock. I think that's what. What's your name? What's your name?
Yeah, I think. Ma'am, see my house.
Sammy.
Ma'am,
Sammy.
my house.
Very nice painting. Very nice. So you've all done such wonderful work. And it's very evident that they're all spending very good time at this period. Very nice.
Mic was off, but they could not use.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all. You can all keep it.
This
Very
is
nice
Kimaya
artwork
here.
back inside. Very nice. Everybody has been covered, I think. Very good.
Ma'am, Chupi.
Lovely, lovely. Now you can keep it inside. You can go keep it carefully. Go keep it inside carefully. Very nice. So now I will just go into how art and craft is helps in overall development. Some parents are around, right?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, ma'am.
So art and craft helps
Ma'am.
eye-hand coordination,
Ma'am.
attention. Yes.
She's seeing her house.
I can't see. Oh, house, such a nice house. Where is your room in that house? Up room. Wow, wonderful view. Very nice. What all shapes are in that house? Circle,
Circle.
square,
Square.
triangle.
Triangle.
Top is triangle. Bottom big rectangle. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. You can keep it inside now. Okay, so art and craft is basically not only painting and drawing. It is also collage where we cut pieces from different papers and stick it together. And tailoring skills is also craft. Makeup is also art and craft. Who likes to put makeup? Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am.
I like
Very
it.
nice. Thank you. Very nice. Makeup, carpentry, tailoring, embroidery, everything is art and craft. And it helps in understanding different colors. Art and craft helps us identify one color from the other color. And it gives us, enhances our memory. It helps us to use of paintbrush, color pencils. We will learn how to use paintbrush. We'll learn how to use watercolors. We'll learn how to use crayons, stencils, scissors. Everything we learn to use. So when we learn to use scissors and all that, all our finger movements will become very, very easy. Then it helps us understand.
Crayons.
Sorry?
Crayons.
Crayons. So when we use crayons, we have to hold the crayon like this. How do you hold your crayon? Yes. So when you hold your crayon like this, all these fingers and these two fingers will also get developed. So when it's, so basically this is my son's pencil. And when we teach them how to grip the pencil, so I've just kept a rubber band here so that he learns how to touch this place and then write. So these fingers are developed because of that. And then tailoring is also art and craft. So have you all worn costumes for fancy dress competition? Yes? Like Jhansi Rani or any princess or anything. So all that is art and craft. And it helps us, it also, even art and craft gives us a lot of confidence, lot of mental peace, lot of relaxation. That's the main thing.
Ma'am, my name is Pratishta Midda.
Sorry?
My name is Pratishta Midda.
Yes. You want to show something? I can't see you.
No, no ma'am, I cannot show.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Art and crafts also you all like to do?
Yes.
Yes. Are some parents around? Just turn on your video and do a thumbs up.
Ma'am, she not happy.
Who is not happy? Sorry?
This girl. This girl.
Who is not happy?
Are you not happy enough?
Why?
Are you happy or not? Huh?
When you become happy, I will also smile.
Sit here. No.
Who is happy? Who are happy? Do this.
How is happy?
Yes, such a nice smile everybody has. So you should always keep smiling. Very nice. Okay, so we finished all the 5 tools which we use for entire holistic development of all of us actually. So dance, music, drama, storytelling, and art and craft. So when we can also, so some sessions we use 2 tools. For some sessions we use even 3 tools, and so that overall development is there for the child. We can combine the tools and we can take the class also. Also, basically there is a course when we where I got empowered through this course, diploma course, which is affiliated to a reputed university. And it's a 1-year course which we've been conducting. So get a complete overall view of how art, dance, movement, music, mime, art and craft, storytelling, everything helps in everybody. 1 minute. Yes. Plus we have online. So now during lockdown, all of us are at home, but we are still having fun by having these kind of interactions with each other from the computer. And we also take music classes, dance classes, art and craft classes online. And it will be so nice to see all of you so happy to I am so happy that you all participated so nicely. So we will end the session with a small song. Okay, will you all follow me? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so we will all sing the song. Oh, the wonder of art. Oh, the wonder of art.
ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ no ಪಡೋಹರ
बोल मैडम
Oh, the wonder of art belongs to everyone. Oh, the wonder of art belongs to everyone. The art is beyond the boundaries of the artist. The art is beyond the boundaries of the artist. Oh, the wonder of art belongs to everyone. The art is beyond the boundaries of the artist. Let us dance, let us dance, let us dance. There is nothing known as disability. There is nothing known as disability. Let us join hands, let us join hands. Let us join hands, let us join hands. All of us are equal. Art is the way we express ourselves to each other. Art is the way we express ourselves to each other. Art is where we boost our self-esteem. Art is the way we boost our self-esteem. Art is an unequaled experience. Art is an unequaled experience. Art is a medium with which we share happiness. Art is the way we share our happiness. Now, hold your hands like this. And stretch your hands. Side to side. Move side to side. Let us join hands. Let us join hands. Let us join hands. Let us join hands. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. Let us unite to spread the wonder of heart. Let us unite to spread the wonder of art. Let us unite to spread the happiness of art. Let us unite to spread the happiness of art. Now everyone should do thumbs up. Let us all unite. 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 Yay! Very nice. So nice to see all of you so participative. Even though we are not seeing each other face to face, in fact, you're all like my brothers and sisters. So it would be so nice to see you all in person, but it's okay. We are all not in a very great situation right now. So this is the safest medium with which we are meeting each other. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Down Syndrome Federation of India and Rekha Aunty. It's so nice to meet all of them in one space. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Purna, we got a lot of comments saying that they really liked the
Thank
session.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Geeta Krishnan found it very interesting. Gamini Galgamuva found it great. Sarama Biswas found it interesting. And Bhuvneshwari Shiv said she lovely session, Purna. Loved so much. And I would personally like to say it was thank you so much. I'm definitely going to be doing this with my son at home.
So nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you again so much for the lovely session.
Thank you.
Purna ma'am, Brinda here.
Yes.
Thank you so much for a wonderful session. Rekha ma'am had to leave she left about 5 minutes ago because she had to go out somewhere. But she wanted to personally thank you for such an interesting and lively session. After a long time, she felt that we had a real lively session. So she wanted to thank you and thank you so much for being here, ma'am. So on behalf of the Federation, we'd really like to thank you and look forward to more sessions with you in the future, ma'am.
Anytime, just a phone call away. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So now we'll say bye-bye to everyone until the next session.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, and thank you, Brinda.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, bye. Chú sao bà?